Hi. Wow. This gentleman, the moment you touch him, he rolls himself. But because of my beautiful energy, he's feeling me. Oh, so amazing. After being invaded by the ants, he's also here walking. So beautiful. Wow. Nature is still surprising me.